What's up guys, we're here once again and welcome back to a different style of video, and this is about some big updates on FX Racer game. I just happened to look on the game last week and I saw huge updates, so I wanted to bring you here today to see this video about the updates. We've got plenty to go through, and I mean instantly you can see it's an updated main menu screen, but as we start off, let's go to teams. As you see, brand new teams, we now have teams. I've added all the 10 in, and as you can also see the little pens, that means you can add your own images of drivers. I will be doing that before a big surprise will be coming. I'll announce at the end of the video, so if you want to know that then just skip to the end. But that's a big update with like new logos and everything, and underneath that, Constructors Championship. And I see all 10 different teams. This means that I don't have to work it out myself because it's on the videos. And let's see, just really updated background and everything. It's really quite great. And another thing I just want to get onto is the cars. You see, they're a little bit different, and different colours as well. You can see I will change the colours as well, but lots of different colours. You've got orange, you've got pink, you've got blue, you've got a darker blue, you've got a really dark blue, you've got like a turquoise colour, you've got a black, you've got like a grey, and then you've got the red. So plenty of options there, so that is really great. See the slightly updated like room we're in as well. But as we go into the race, not much change here, but we're just going to do a quick race to see the differences. We're going to do it at Great Britain. See, not much has happened to the graphics themselves, but if you look on board, you can see there's like a lot more sponsors. As I'm driving atrociously, but yeah, lots more sponsors on the Halo, which adds that sense of realism. And as you go to the other cameras, you can see all the different colours and all that. Be a slight update to the graphics, I think. Nothing big there, but the main thing is on the main menu and the liveries. But yeah, some huge updates, which allows us to like do the series more easily. Like the constructors are right there, and there's 100% accurate results. But the surprise part of the video is coming up round about now, so we're just going to leave this Grand Prix and cause an almighty crash as well. And just to mention, the driving style is the same. You see the results screen, pretty much the same as well. Okay, but the big news, as you may see, we've got all the 2024 drivers and 2024 teams. I see I'm as Lando Norris. That is because we are starting a brand new series on FX Racer, but this time there's nothing to do with the classic, it's the modern day. We want to see if anyone can beat the dominance of Max Verstappen in Red Bull here in 2024. I mean, we saw Lando Norris win the Miami Grand Prix, what a day that was. Carlos Sainz has beaten Verstappen as well, but can anyone else do it in our FX Racer season? Look out for plenty of videos on my channel. This is day 2 of trying to achieve 100 followers. But when I get there, I will be so appreciative. I'm on 75 followers, which I am so thankful for, but if we get to 100, I'll do a massive shout out video, there'll be huge celebrations and all that. I'll be so happy, and it will motivate me to do more stuff on my channel. So that's it for this quick deep dive video, and you're going to be seeing plenty more of FX Racer coming up shortly, but for now, it's goodbye.